Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to set up PostgreSQL DVD rental database. So we'll set it up which we can use to explain queries in the future and SQL concepts in the future. So I've already uploaded this file dvdrental.tar. I'll leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download the tar files. Remember not to open the tar file or make any changes to it in any format. We'll just use it as is. So I've already got this tar file on my local desktop as well. So what I'll do is I'm connected to pgadmin, and to install pgadmin and PostgreSQL server, look at the previous links in this series. So I'll just right click. So I'm already connected to the Postgres demo, and then on database I've right clicked and it says create. I'll create a database. I'll call it DVDrental and I'll hit save. And what it does is it's created a database, but there is no data in here at the moment. You can see there's a schema called public schema, but there are no tables as such. Now what I'll do is I'll restore this database. So I'll restore this from the version I have. So the format I want is custom or tar. I'll click on this to point to the file name. And you can see it's not showing anything. That's because I'll have to open this and select all files as an option. And this is now my tar file, and I'll click open. And now it's available to me. You can also copy paste this path if you want. And I'll just go to data options and I'll turn these three options, pre-data, data, and post data on. So you need to do that. And I'll click on restore. And it starts the restore process. So you can click on this and you can see it's running. So we'll just wait for this process to complete. So the process is complete, and now what I'll do is I'll right click on the public schema again and hit refresh. And you can see that it's showing me all these tables. Now I can look at what data is available. So let's say for the sake of example, maybe country table. I just want to see what is in there. So I'll just say query tool or scripts. Let's go to scripts and say select scripts. So it'll generate a select script for this. And I'll just select this and hit the run or execute. And it's showing me all the countries that are available. So it has 109 rows. We can similarly look at film. So I'll right click this. Scripts, select. So this is one way for us to verify that it has been restored. And you can see it's showing us 1000 rows with this. But I think it's also that you can see the process will finish with no errors, and that is a good indicator. You can click on view details and it will show what it has done under the hood. So in this video we've essentially covered how to set up DVD rental database on PostgreSQL. To understand SQL and to practice SQL. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful, and it will be really useful as we go on this journey of learning more SQL around in PostgreSQL. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics or if you've got any queries. Cheers, bye.